What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you a cool command with command blocks that gets you lots of XP in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So it needs to be an impulse. Well, it doesn't need to be, but that's normal one. Works perfectly fine. And the code is XP, no capital space, 99 because that's max. And then at P, and then it gives it to you. And the added command, put a lever on, and you click it. Oh no, first you go into survival. And you click it and you get lots of XP. That's a butt ton of XP. And then that's how you get lots, but and if you you have to be in creative to edit the thing. Now you can step it up and turn it so it goes continuously, and you get that much XP very fast. And it just instantly fills up for you. But I think we're at the max level, because going up and it's going back without the number changing. Yep, max level. That's cool. Click it and get a lot more. Then sign off for now. See ya.